it's time for another makeup unboxing. I bought more Colourpop. So just gonna make sure I don't show my dress. And ooh, stop. It just says thanks on that. There's nothing on it that's important. So what did I buy? I bought stuff. So first I have this Act Natural mascara that was free. Then I got this neon, hopefully is that? Yeah, this Neon Gaze Pressed Powder Palette. This Too Hot palette that was $2. That's why I bought it. And then the rest is all part of their Y2K collection, so I was really excited about this. So, oh gosh, there's so many things that are all individually wrapped. Okay, so this is, it says still loading. Let me just put this in. And I break the sticker. Oh, okay. So it's this. I'll change the angle, don't worry. And then I bought a set that came with digital playground, lip gloss, and some Super Shock. So yeah, I will. Okay, so the first thing I have is, move out of the way, Link. This Act Natural Defining Mascara. I got the brown because I've never used brown mascara before. I don't typically wear mascara, but this is what it looks like. I'm not going to open it because I don't want it to go bad. And then this is Too Hot. Okay, and it's a bunch of, okay, this is the best. So yeah, it's a bunch of like hot pinks. I'm kind of excited for this shade called West End. I'm so bad at makeup videos, oh my gosh. Then we have Neon Gaze, which is mostly a bunch of neutral, like natural color tones, but with a bright yellow in the center. Oh, I love this. I love this. It looks so cool. Oh, and then look at that. So yeah, you got a bunch of like more like neutral, or I'm sorry, I keep saying neutral, like natural shades, but then you have like this bright yellow in the center to liven things up. Okay, and then this is all the stuff I got from the Y2K collection. So I bought this separately, and then these came in a pack called Digital Spree. So it comes with Digital Playground, Super Shock Shadow in, what color is this? Oh, in the saddle. And then the So Juicy lip gloss in Velour BB. So, let's open up the, sorry capybara. Let's open up the highlighter first. This is a really fun design. Yeah, so it says still loading, Super Shock highlighter, and then on the other side it's this kind of like butterfly thing. Oh yeah, you can tell. Okay, the actual plastic itself has like glitter in it. So let's just pop this open. Okay, oh that looks better. So it's kind of a purplish highlighter, but also like kind of like pinks. So let me just, ooh. Yeah, so you can kind of see it makes my hand a little bit shimmery. Yeah, fun. And then since these came in a set, I'm gonna try to open them together. So this was the lip gloss, So Juicy and Velour BB. It is just like a very sparkly, excuse me. Oh, it's a plumping gloss. It's just a very sparkly, like kind of like, I don't know, natural. I imagine this is gonna go on pretty clear lip gloss. It does kind of remind me a lot of the early 2000s when, I don't know, lip gloss was the hot thing. It's right here. So yeah, it's pretty, not very, there's not a lot of color to it. It's just kind of clear. My lip gloss be popping. I keep it in my locker. All the boys be stopping. But you know, I don't remember when that song came out. Okay, and then this is the Super Shock Shadow in the saddle. And, ooh, I can't open this one. Okay. This just comes in a little case like this. It has the butterfly again. But yeah, just, yeah, it's sparkly, like light pink, so that'd be fun. And then this is Digital Playground. This is one of the 3 different eyeshadow palettes. So this comes with Juicy, Love Warhol, 99, From Paris, and Crib. I love the packaging on these. Okay, and then this is the actual palette itself. I'm a little afraid to open it because they're like really sparkly eyeshadows tend to be kind of messy. This was also very difficult to open. Now I can't close it either. I think I jinxed myself. it's a pretty color. Yeah. So it's just yeah. Let's pretend that didn't happen. Okay, so this was everything. If you want to see a try-on video, let me know down below in the comments. I know I've done one in the past for the Animal Crossing Colourpop collab, and it was interesting. So yeah, just let me know if you want to see that again. But I don't know. That's it. See ya later, I guess.